Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gyan Ka Dabba. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how you can promote a post on your Instagram feed.
Gyan Ka Dabba.
So there is something called Facebook Business Manager. This is actually the back end for both Facebook and Instagram. So a lot of brands actually promote their content using Business Manager, but this is slightly more complicated. The easier way to promote your post is directly through Instagram, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about. So the first thing for you to consider is that for promoting a post, you have to make sure that your profile is a business profile. If you have a personal account, you can go into your settings and change it to a business profile. This is compulsory to promote any sort of content. Also, when you have a business profile, one additional benefit is that you start getting a lot more insights. So when you have a business profile, below each post you will see insights. You can click on that and you will actually be able to see how many people your post has reached, from where has it reached them. So is it search, is it through hashtags, is it through home, explore. Basically you will get all of these insights which is only available to business profile. So therefore it makes sense also for you to have a business profile just to have a better idea of your audience and what exactly is working for you content wise, specifically reach wise. And reach is super critical now because you guys know that in the last few days Instagram has changed their algorithm and organic reach has fallen even lower. So therefore it's really important to understand which post still manages to have good reach, and it's sort of like a benchmark for you to understand, okay, this is the kind of content I should be creating, I should be posting at this time, really based on your reach. So before getting started, I want to let you know that at this point you cannot promote Reels or IGTV videos. You can only promote stories and posts. So click on, actually let's start by promoting a post. So click on the post that you want to promote. You will see the button saying promote, so click on that. Now where do you want to send people? So if you select your profile, basically you will be sending people to your Instagram page. If you select your website, then you can send them either to your website or any general URL on the internet. It could be to your YouTube channel, to your website, to a blog, whatever you want it to be, or to your direct message. So these are the three options. Now one hack I want to give you is that if you have any sort of website which you have already put in your settings, if you want to change that, what you need to do is select website and you will see this button saying edit. So click on edit, and here you can actually put whatever the website is whose URL you want, and then the traffic will go to that. You also have some call to action options. So based on whether you want people to shop, watch a video or contact you, you can choose the call to action. Next thing is if you want people to go to your profile, you select that, or you select the direct message option. Now in the next step, you choose your audience. This is perhaps the most important step because you are telling Instagram who exactly is your target audience. Who do you want that they should be able to see your ad? Okay, so the easiest way to do this is select an automated targeting. So there Instagram defines who is your target, but I do not recommend this at all. I feel like you should have a slightly detailed targeting based on who your audience is and who you think that content is relevant for. So basically what you're going to do is create your own audience. You can give it a name if you'd like. You can put in different locations. So you can put in the cities or the states where this audience is. So for an example, I'm going to put Mumbai for this campaign. Then you can select the age. So the age is basically between 18 to 65. You can select whether you want it to be male and female both or only one. And then the most interesting part about this is picking the interests. So basically interests are what is your audience interested in, right? So for example, my account is more of a couple's lifestyle account and my YouTube channel is related to weddings. So for example, I could do wedding, I could do wedding planning, I could do bridal wear. Basically whatever your target would be interested in, you can put in a lot of those details over here. Now just a quick pointer on why do people promote through Business Manager versus directly through the app. on Facebook Business Manager backend, there it's a lot easier to select your interests, the demographics, the behavioral data versus here. This is slightly limiting, but to get started, this is more than enough, right? So we've decided where we want to send our audience. We've decided who's our target. So we're going to click on done. And let's move on to the next step. Now this is where you set your budget. So as you can see, the minimum budget is 80 rupees per day and the minimum duration is 1 day. And as you keep toggling this, it will keep showing you how much duration, and it will also show you how many people you can estimatedly reach. So this is set up here, and then you go to next, and that's pretty much it. You click on create promotion. Now in case you haven't set up your card details, you can either go into your settings and do that, or here itself when you click on payment, it will show you an error and you can add whatever your card, whichever card you want to bill to. So as of this point, Instagram only accepts credit cards, so you have to make sure that you have a credit card to be able to promote your post. And that's pretty much it. After that, you click on create promotion. Now what happens is, it's not that the moment you click on create promotion, Instagram will immediately start promoting your content. Instagram has a review process, right? So your promotion will actually go into review, and what you will see below the post that you're trying to promote, it will say review pending. And it's not that every single post gets accepted by Instagram, right? So there are many things which are banned. For example, any sort of nudity, using copyrighted content of someone else. There are many factors which Instagram takes into account before deciding whether it will allow your promotion or not. It typically takes up to 24 hours for your promotion to be accepted. In case your promotion is rejected, Instagram also gives you the reason of why it is rejected, what is the issue, and then you can fix that issue and then try and appeal or again promote the post. So that's basically all of the basics to get you started with promoting content on Instagram. I think it's very important for you to decide who your TG is going to be and then promote content to them so that you get the most out of it. Once a post goes into promotion, you will also be able to see different statistics related to that. How many people have followed you, how many people have clicked on the link, how many profile visits you got, and that will also give you a really good benchmark of whether or not this promotion is working for you. Again, different people have different objectives. Your objective could be followers, your objective could be website visits. So you need to evaluate based on each post that you're promoting, how well is it meeting your specific objectives. So this was how you can very easily promote a post directly on Instagram. If you have any other questions around this, please do leave a comment below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to Gyan Ka Dabba for more such amazing videos. We also have some really interesting videos on Instagram Insights, which we will link in the description for you. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.